Hello, algebra students. So some of you said that the Desmos word problems were tricky, so I wanted to put a video up. I'll do the first couple slides in this video. And just feel free to ask if you want more, but I'll only go through the first couple problems in this one. So what I'm noticing is it's a good idea to read it backwards. So sometimes read what you're asked to do, and then go back and go through all the numbers. So we're creating and solving a system of equations for shingles X and roofing paper Y. So shingles X means when I go back up and read 30 bundles of shingles, I could type 30X. 4 rolls of paper was Y, plus 4Y, for a total of 1040. You're adding up two different things to get a total price of 1040. Same basic idea. Second purchase is 12 shingles, 12X, 16 rolls of paper. So that would be plus 16 papers, so 16Y for 2,000. Those are my equations on the first slide. It copies them over onto the second slide. This looks like an elimination problem because the X and the Y are lined up on top of each other. Both equations are in standard form. However, nothing's ready to eliminate. I can't eliminate the X's and I can't eliminate the Y's. So what I'm going to do first is multiply. Multiply one or both equations to match them up. I notice that if I multiply the top equation by 4, then I'll copy it down right here. Top equation times 4 becomes 120x plus 16y equals 4,160. Why did I multiply by 4? Because I noticed that would match up the y values. So your goal is to match up either one of the letters. I matched up the y values because 4 goes into 16, but 12 does not go into 30. Now I have the y values matching up, so I can subtract my two equations. Top minus bottom. 12 minus 120 is a negative 108x. 16 minus 16 eliminates. That's why we multiply by 4 in the first place. And then 2,000 minus 4,160 is negative 2,160. Okay, I can divide both sides by negative 108, and I'll get x. So x is equal to 20, right? Yeah, 20. All right, so x is equal to 20. Then I got to solve for y, so I'll plug x back into the top equation. 30 times x plus 4y equals 1040. 30 times 20 is 600. 600 plus 4y is 1040. Subtract 600. I know I'm running out of space here a little bit. So subtract 600, 4y equals 440. And then if I divide by 4, I get y equals 110. So we got to answer as a ordered pair, 20, comma, 10. That seems good to me. And then what's the meaning of the solution? Well, if you go back to slide 1, X is shingles and roofing paper is Y. So you can just say shingles cost 20 bucks. Roofing paper costs $110. Like that. So I'll do, let's see, how long is this video? Yeah, I'll do one more here and then call it good. Same sort of idea. If you read the question first, you can see that we have candles, small candles X and large candles Y. And we have $144 selling small candles for 4 and large candles for 6. So small candles are 4, so I go 4x. Large candles are 6, so 6y. $144, like that. Then you have this other sentence, you sold a total of 28 candles in all. Well, that means that if I add up the large and the small candles, x plus y, I get 28. So those are my two equations. Oops. You can see how this is a sort of similar situation as before. They don't match up with each other, but if I multiply the bottom equation times 4, it's going to match up with the top equation. So I'm going to multiply by 4. 4x plus 4y. Just going to cross that out. 4 times 28 is 112. Now my x's match up, so I'm able to eliminate by subtracting. 4 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, so I have 2y. 144 minus 112 is 32. Then I can divide both sides by 2, and I get y is equal to 16. I can plug the 16 back into either equation, but we have an equation that is fairly easy. It says x plus y equals 28. You sold 28 candles, right? So if you sold 16 of one type, subtract 16, and you know that you sold 12 of the other type. So you got it. We know that we have 12 of the small candles that were sold, 16 of the large candles. So what's the meaning of the solution? You sold 12 small and 16 large candles. That's it. Feel free to ask me for more if you need anything else, but I hope this video helped you out.